Welcome back to my channel, Cousin Zone. Today we are going to make African paper dolls. Let's start.
So let's see what are the materials required. We need a pair of scissors, fevicol, newspapers, poster paints, thread and a A4 sheet.
First, we need to cut a paper into 4 parts. Take a sheet of paper, roll it. And paste it. Roll 30 sheets of paper in the same way. Let's take 2 paper rolls and place it in a cross-shaped structure. And these are hands. Let's fold and hang 3 rolls on the right hand and the left. Now let's tie them with a thread tightly. Roll 2 more paper rolls around the thread. Now you will get a structure like this. Remove the center roll and stick 2 paper rolls around it. And stick 2 small papers around the rolled paper. This is the neck and head. Now you will get a shape like this. Now insert the stick into the previous portion. Now you will reach this stage. Take an A4 sheet and paste it in the lower portion. Cut the lower part to make it even. Stick the paper rolls around the rolled A4 sheet. Now you will arrive like this. Now cut the lower portion to make it even. Make a vessel kind of shape. Paste it to its hip and bend the hands like this. Stick 2 paper rolls around its head as turban. You're done with the structure. We'll start painting now. I'm going to paint green for the dress, black for the head, neck and hand, red for the waist belt and turban. Brown for the basket. This is how it looks after painting it. So we are done with it. Surprise your friends by gifting a handmade doll. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. We'll meet you in the next video with an interesting activity.